The queuing time feature in Ariadne provides clear visibility into how long visitors wait in different areas. This data helps businesses identify bottlenecks, optimize customer flow, and improve service efficiency. Let me show you an example from a hardware store. Looking at the area's visitors heat map in the people counting dashboard, we can see BBQ, plumbing, and paint attracted the most visitors in March 2025. Let's go back to queuing time dashboard to compare their performance. First, select the time frame. In this case, March 2025. Click Edit Configuration, then Add Config. Choose area type as Area, select BBQ as the area name, and set data source to Duration, with metric type Mean Duration to display average queuing time. You can also select Visitors as the data source to show total visitor count, or Transition to display traffic movement between locations. This shows the average wait at BBQ is 3.29 minutes. After setting up similar configurations for all areas, we can analyze the complete dataset. The insights are revealing. Visitor traffic is fairly balanced across departments, but wait times vary significantly. Despite handling the most visitors, 6,380, plumbing maintains the shortest wait time at just 1.11 minutes, indicating excellent operational efficiency. Paint shows the longest wait times at 3.94 minutes, despite fewer visitors than plumbing, suggesting potential process bottlenecks. BBQ shows moderate wait times at 3.29 minutes. With these insights from Ariadne, the store manager now has clear direction on where to focus improvement efforts, specifically in the paint department. Need this solution for your store? Visit ariadne.inc